So lately, I was like, you know what? People want to come to the studio, and some of them, they suspect that their partners are cheating, and they can't really find me on the street. So they've been sending emails, and I was like, why not? Let them come through. So yeah, my brother is here. Let's check this out. How are you, man?
I'm good, how are you, bro?
So what's your name and who are you dating?
I'm dating Katlego.
Okay, your name. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Tawang. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And how long have you guys been together?
We've been dating for like 3 years and a half.
Okay. And in this relationship, are you happy with everything? Is there anything that is making you
Yeah,
suspicious?
like everything is cool. Like she's treating me good. Like she's there. She's always there. Whenever I call her, she's there. Like whatever I need, she's always there. Yeah. So she's a supportive person.
So yeah,
Okay.
so you can say it's a perfect relationship.
Yeah. I can't
Wow.
complain with anything.
Wow. All right, congratulations. So kopa fa ke number phone tsa gagwe.
Oh, okay.
La mafelelo o mo nini?
Ke tlo mmona Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday.